Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about Catalan Test Ops and Catalan Analytics. Test Ops integration with Catalan Studio. First, we will create the project in Test Ops, create team in Test Ops, integrate Catalan Studio with Test Ops, then upload project in Test Ops. We will learn to upload reports in Test Ops, and then we will analyze the reports in the Test Ops. To integrate Catalan Studio with Test Ops or to create the project and create the team on Test Ops, we have to go to Projects, Settings, and in the settings, click on Catalan Test Ops. Here you will find your details and you will have to click on Enable Catalan Test Ops integration. Once you click, you do not have team or project in your Test Ops. That's why you have to first create the team and project. To create the team or project, you have to click here, or you can click on the Test Ops menu and select the Catalan Test Ops. It will open the analytics.catalan.com website for login to your Test Ops. So log into the Test Ops using your credentials. After you log into Test Ops, click on the team button and create the team with a name. Give the name to the team and click on create. Once the team is created, go to the project and in the project click on create project. Select the team and click next. Give the name to the project and click create. Now the project is also created, team is also created. Go to your Catalan Studio and click on the project settings. Go to Catalan Test Ops and again click on enable Catalan Test Ops integration. It will fetch the team and the project, and if you want to create new project, you can create the new project by clicking the new project button. If you want to fetch the project, if it is not able to fetch, you can fetch the project. Apply and OK. This way you can integrate the Test Ops with Catalan Studio. Now what is the use of it? You can upload your project, complete project to Test Ops by clicking the Store Project Code to Cloud button. After clicking Store Project Code to Cloud button, it will fetch your team project details and you will be able to upload the project. And this will store your project test proj. It has been stored the Catalan Studio project in the Test Ops. If you see here, you can also create a Git test project or create your own test project or create a sample project from the Test Ops. Next is about reports. You can store your reports on the Test Ops and you can actually analyze them. For example, in this project, I have a test suite collection having 2 test suites in it, and for the report, I will execute this test suite collection and then we will check the report. Execution is done and report is available. This report we can click on the Catalan Test Ops button and we can upload to Catalan Test Ops. So I will click on upload button to upload the report to Test Ops. Click upload. After upload is completed, check the report in the Catalan Test Ops. Go to tools. Here also you can import the reports, import Catalan reports, import JUnit reports. Go to import JUnit reports, and here also you can import the reports, but we'll go to dashboard to check the uploaded reports, and you will see the dashboard over here. If you click on executions, you will find the report related to execution. In test ops, you can even plan the test case execution, and you also can integrate the Jira with this test ops. You can manage the releases from the test ops. Here you can create the release. You can manage the requirements by integrating Jira with test ops. Can manage the test cases. If you have already executed the test cases, it will show you the result of it. Then the test suites management is there. You can check the test suite reports. Web services also can be integrated with the test ops. Then the test objects can be managed. Since I have uploaded the project, all the test objects of the project are showing over here. You can manage the defects by integrating the Jira. To integrate Jira, click on Jira settings. You have to install the Jira add-on, Jira plugin, and then provide the URL, username and password, and then test connection, and after clicking save button, you will be able to use it. This way you can work with Catalan test ops, you can analyze your reports, you can create a test plan, you can execute the tests, and you can raise the defects in Jira by integrating Jira with Catalan test ops. You can even manage the test cases from Jira and with Catalan test ops. This was about Catalan test ops. Hope you liked it and you found it useful. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.